up, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kat, and it's Friday. That can only mean one thing. It's Face Mask Friday. Now, I want to apologize because the last couple Fridays, I have been MIA. And that's strictly because it was the holidays, the busiest season of the year. I'm a hairstylist, and I was just knocked on my feet with appointments. So, sadly, my face masks had to wait until 2019. But look at this. What better way to start the new year than with a sparkly mask? So as you can see, it has a lot of sparkles in it, some stars. I'm so excited. So this is Born to Sparkle by The Beauty Spot. The directions say, generously apply a layer to clean skin with fingers or a brush. I have a brush because I do find that the brushes are easier now to apply. Avoiding the eyebrows and hairline. Leave on and relax for 20 to 30 minutes. Once completely dry, gently peel away from the edges of the face. Rinse any excess off with warm water. Avoid eye area. Use twice a week for best results. So guys, it says right here, avoid eyebrows and hairline. When it's telling you to avoid eyebrows and hairline, avoid them. Because if you go back to some of my other face mask Friday videos, you will see that I've gotten a bit on here and ow! It hurt so much when I ripped it off that, avoid that area as much as possible. So, yay! Happy Face Mask Friday. Happy first Face Mask Friday of 2019 with the Born to Sparkle Glitter Face Mask by The Beauty Spot. On the front, it says for normal, oily, dry, or combination skin, glitter face mask, peel off formula. So there is 3.53 ounces, which is 100 grams in this container. So let's get right into it. Guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I take it out of the package. It's actually much bigger than I thought it was going to be. So this is it, Born to Sparkle, a glitter face mask. You can see the glitter underneath. Woo, that's exciting. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and you guys know me. I have to smell. Whoa, look at it. Okay, so, I don't even know how to. Okay, let's smell. Ooh. So, it definitely doesn't smell nice. So this is what it looks like. Very goopy, as you can see. Very glittery, some stars in it. Whew. The only thing that I can describe that it smells like is like dollar store potpourri that you would find in like ugh, it doesn't smell good. But it's sparkly and we are gonna put it on because we wanna shine. Like shimmer and shine. Whoa, whoa, whoa. If you guys got kids, you know what I mean. I listen to that song a million times a day, so it's my turn to shimmer and shine. So I'm gonna go ahead with my brush, put it all over, and then we're gonna let it sit for, what does it say, 20 to 30 minutes, and then rinse off the excess. So again, always starting, guys, with your clean, cleansed face. I have my applicator brush just because I don't want to get messy, and I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, you can see it is very gel-like. Because it's a peel off, I know it has to dry. I don't want to, woo, look at it. This brush isn't even really working that good. You blow my mirror. I don't want to put too much on because I want it to be able to pull off. Okay, so this is taking a long time to put on, so I'm gonna put it on and then I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like before I let it sit. So it almost feels like glue when it's going on. It's very strange. It definitely feels like I'm putting white glue all over my face with some sparkles in it. It smells. It definitely stinks. I can't even just, like, it's such a familiar smell that I've smelled before that, no lie, this literally smells like dollar store bath bombs, dollar store potpourri. It smells like eau de toilette of like not the good kind. But sometimes things that don't smell good seem to work the best. Okay guys, so here you go. Here's what it looks like. I did not put anything here. I did not put anything here because I'm trying to avoid this hairline. This went on like glue, guys. Like, I'm interested to see how well my brush washes out. I only put a little thin layer here only because, like, guys, it smells not enjoyable. Like, I can tolerate it, but I just don't want to be like, the smell right up in my nose. But it only used like the tiniest little bit. I did kind of have to do 2 layers, 2 to 3 layers, depending, just to kind of get it on, because you want to make sure that it's hard enough so that you can rip it off. So this is gonna sit for 20 to 30 minutes or however long this takes to dry. I just love how shiny I am. Look at sparkly, I'm shimmering, shining. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll see you in 20, 30 minutes. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, it is completely dry all over. I will say that this mask feels super tight. Like, it feels like everything is working the way it's supposed to be working. You know what? It feels like it's working so good that the smell doesn't even bother me anymore. It smelled really bad when it was going on and it was wet, and now I can't even really smell it anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead now and start pulling from the sides and removing the mask, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it because that's what the instructions say. So you can see it is very dry all over, so I'm gonna start by the edges and roll it up. I'm curious to see if sparkles are gonna fly everywhere. Woo! One little piece and it hurt. So I'm very thankful I didn't put it up my hairline. Woo! Guys, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. I don't even want to pull it off. Like, look at it. Oh my God. Oh, it's sore. Guys, I have a hairy face. Like, I'm not a man or anything, but there's some peach fuzz, and oh my God. I think I'm gonna have to do it in like a because it hurts so bad. Okay. I'm gonna take my glasses off for this. Please don't hurt me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, my face is burning. Look at it, came off in one sheet. Wow, it's so soft. Okay. I gotta do this side. I'm gonna pull up from the edges because it says you gotta pull up. I don't want to necessarily pull down. It is like so hard to even like scratch off. It is like, this is a good mask, guys. I can't even get it lifted up. It is so dry. Okay. Oh Lord. Okay. I'm gonna do this in one big one too because I can't even take it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Didn't even come off. How? So this is the one piece you can see is very sparkly still. Get rid of that. Let's take this off. Woo! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, damn it, only a little piece came off. It is sore, guys. Ouch. Ow! One more piece. See how, like, it is on there, guys. Okay, ready? I'm just gonna pull this off and, ouch. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! That ripped out a little hair there. Wow! My face feels soft as can be. So I'm gonna go rinse it off, guys, and I'll be back in 1 minute to give you my final review. Woo! Guys, my face feels amazing. It feels so good. Like, I'm shocked. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of thought about this mask, but since it started to dry and after peeling it off and rinsing it off, guys, this is like, oh, it's amazing. I have done the black charcoal face mask in a previous video, and that was hard to come off, but it kind of left like a residue on my face. But when you saw when I took this off, there was nothing left behind. It rinsed off easy. Yes, it was painful to rip off, but pain is beauty, my friends. So I would definitely recommend this. I'd give it a thumbs up. Again, it is Born to Sparkle from the Beauty Spot for normal, dry, oily or combination skin. It was amazing. The smell kind of wasn't that good at the beginning. It does dwindle off as the product is drying on your face. It took about 20-25 minutes to dry. It wasn't anything crazy. Every time you do a face mask, guys, just relax. That's why we're doing them. Dedicate yourself to one face mask every Friday and your life will feel so good. The kids are at school, the kids are sleeping. Whenever you have time, take the opportunity to take care of yourself, guys. 2019 is all about self-love, accepting yourself, embracing yourself, doing stuff for yourself. If you're a mom, that doesn't mean that you can't take care of yourself. You have littles that you take care of. You deserve to be taken care of as well. So look, this was like literally 30 minutes, not even. My face feels great. I'm in a great mood. It was super fun. Like, who doesn't like sparkles? Who doesn't like stars? Guys, this was just amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've used a sparkle face mask like this, especially a peel-off one, because I'm really interested to know, and I'm interested to know how it was when you peeled it off. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, guys, I'm going to be here on Fridays reviewing face masks for you guys once again, and I can't wait to share them all with you because I got a big bag and there's tons. I'm so excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your weekend. Have a happy Friday. Keep smiling, and I'll see you guys next time.